Hey guys, this is AB from AB Products and I'm here with a new video. So today we are going to look at the 6 really cool products you can buy for your house for the cleaning purpose from the Aliexpress. So they are really cheap and they're really handy. They are really handy and useful. So let's get started. This is the number 6 product, which is a automatic sweeping robot for the house floor, which will collect the hair pet and dust any kind of at your floor. So this will move around and steer by itself. You don't have to worry about that. It's only cost you $11.83 and the free shipping to United States. So it's a really good product, I think. Now we are going to the number 5 product. This is for your car especially, or maybe you can use that for, you can also use this for your keyboard and where the areas where you can get to clean. Okay, so it's very easy. What it does is the dust will stick on that, and it's really easy to clean your car, your keyboard, and anything pretty much you can understand like that. So it's only cost you $2. Okay, so that's it. They're really good rating. You can see 4.7. The also store which sells is 9500, 95% positive feedback. So I think you should go for this if you're looking to buy a keyboard or car cleaning product. Now we are moving to the 4th product. This is a spray floor mop with reusable microfiber pads. So it's a automatic, electric. Yeah, so what it does is this will help you um, clean your floor. You have to put the water in it, and there is a button on the, if you press it, this will throw the water on the floor and you can clean that. So it's pretty easy. You don't have to carry the bucket around to clean the floor. Yeah, you can see this could be really handy for you and useful at home. The each product I'm reviewing here is found by me on the Aliexpress after sitting on the computer for 2 hours, so you don't get scammed by the new sellers. Those are trying to scam everybody. These the sellers I'm giving you, they have the 98% positivity where each one is reliable, so you don't have to worry about the bad product. Okay, so this item costs you 21, 10 to 21. Yeah, it's actually 21, and this is very useful. Now we are going to the 3rd product, which is automatic car foam brush. Yeah, this is automatic car foam brush. For this is specially made for your car. I see that this does, what it does is this rotates the sponge, maybe with the AA batteries, or maybe a few other batteries you put in, or maybe rechargeable. This costs you $22. So it's pretty good product to go for, and pretty good feedback. You can see that 4.77 volts. So these all products I'm showing you have the link. If you want to buy them, any of them you like, you can go and check my description in this video. You can go through that and buy any product you want. Okay, so now let's go to the 2nd product. Yeah, this is also related to car washing, and it's easier to really handle. This one I have been using for myself for 3 or 4 months. It's really cool. and it's very what it does, it really absorbs the water. If it's and very easy to clean the car, or even this could be used on the window as well. So this only costs you $14. So now we are going to the last and the final product, which is especially for the bicycle cleaner and the bike cleaning tool. So what it does is, these are the small tools which will help you clean your bike easily, because the bikes are many have parts where you can get there and clean them. um, this is will only cost you $8.35. You can see the material is really good. You can clean the tires as well, and later on, if it gets dirty, you can wash it and dry it. So you can reuse it anytime you want. So thank you. This was the last product. If you like any of these and want to buy that, just check the description. You will find the each item link. So thank you for watching. Sorry about my English. I will be improving that in next upcoming videos, and hope to see you in next videos. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.